Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab A from 2019, and it's the 8-inch version. And today I'll show you how to enable and also set up the Do Not Disturb mode. Now to get started, let's pull down the notification panel. There we go. Not very reactive to touch. So once you pull down the notification, you should see somewhere Do Not Disturb toggle, which for me is right over here. So once you find it, you can either tap on it to turn it on, however it is set by default, or you can also hold it. This will take us to the settings where we can customize it. So we have duration. You can set the duration. Now we have a couple options. We have 1 hour, ask every time. Now the 1 hour also allows you to add more hours. So basically whatever you set it right here, that will be always the amount of time it's going to turn on when you tap on the toggle from the notifications. Now the ask every time is basically the best option because once you choose it, it will bring up this window every time, and you can from here also add the hours that you want it to run. Now besides that, we also have the turn on a schedule, which will allow you to set up a schedule basically, so it will turn on and off at a given time and day of the week. And also we have notification options, so you can basically select what kind of notifications will show up during this mode, and allow exceptions, which is the most control we will have over this. So calls and messages, so you can allow who can call you and who can message you during the Do Not Disturb mode. Now in terms of the calls, now also if you're wondering how are calls included in here, if this is just a normal Wi-Fi version and not the LTE, it also refers to calls like Messenger or WhatsApp being able to call you. So apart from the calls from no one, you do have a repeated caller option, which basically if you enable this, if someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period, which is quite a lot of time, they will be able to reach you basically bypassing the option above. Now outside of that, you also have different kind of sounds and just interruptions that you can turn on or off if you are running Do Not Disturb mode. And from there, once everything is set in here, you can simply leave this and never come back to it, assuming you don't want to change anything. And all you need to do is simply tap on a toggle and turn it on, and there we go. It's right now enabled. Now if you went with the route of turning it on manually without a timer, then you will need to go back to it and turn it off yourself again, otherwise it will be always on. And if you went with the timer option, well then just wait the time that you want and it will turn off automatically. Or if you want to end it prematurely, again you can do the same thing as normally, tap on it again to turn it off. Now that being said, this is how you would use the Do Not Disturb mode. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.